Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Kemari Reactions. How are you guys doing? Let's be petty. Seriously, because I know people are getting some getting offended. Oh, you're very lackluster. Well, you're still watching. Oh my god, you don't understand. They're amazing. Well, to you. But anywho, this is the group K-Clique. I believe this is an M-pop group. Someone gave me 2 recommendations to react to this group, and this reaction video is to their music video to their song Satu. I don't speak their language because I know with SB19 I'd be trying to pronounce some craps, some of them words, and when they be pronouncing, I'm like, huh, wait, what? Let me turn on my English right now. Oh, it's already on. Excuse me. YouTube was ready. Play. Oh, I do love me a good violin. Oh, the blonde hair looks really good. Ooh. M-pop, looking like boys from the hood. Ooh, come on, ooh, muscles.
Putaran reality terbalik. Putaran reality terbalik.
They from the hood.
Salam kata seru, satu hala tuju. Jangan salah laku, nanti tumpang malu. Jangan dongak atas, takut lain balas. Tentangan, salah masuran takkan belahan. Rasa takkan retakan gerakan. Aku tak boleh go dah. Kepala ego berantu, sekarang boleh go lah. Siapa lelaki hantu, sekarang tengok ni putar belit. Yang dulu lalu jatuh terbalik, sekarang lain mau tumpang naik. Yang dulu pejam kau tarik balik. Das dalam das ramai tak terlepas. Cara kau terbatas, sertaku di atas datang nak merampas. Tumbang lalu yang nak berkepak. Jika kita sapu, siapa jago, siapa angku, siapa guru, siapa ampu, siapa siapa seru. Jangan sentuh nanti rapuh. Bete kebal kami kalis.
They sound good, easy to follow. I don't understand fully what they're saying, but it's easy for them to follow what they're saying. It flows well with the beat. Oh, come through deepness in the voice. Ooh, violence. Sorry, I have 2 screens, sorry. Oh, I like that deepness in his voice. Is that rice? Rice and bread? Is that right? Oh, he's in jail. Oh, orange pants, of course. Ooh. Come through, Pop. Oh my god, I feel so assaulted. Hey, gang gang. Well, this is gonna be a long song.
Wait, what? Terasa dah sedap nak nikmat tak sempat. Wait,
What? Others. Wait. What?
Gerakan kau lembab sebab tak bersebab. Gerakanku cepat sebab aku cekap. Langkahku menaik maksudku ku step up game. Ni kau level beginner, buat aku bosan. You tahu. Fikiranku macam future, cerah masa depan. Langkah lebih laju sebab makin depan. Tidak main tiru, hasil makin depan. Caraku jitu 100%. Apa ni? Kamu bukan a gang member, kau tertulis. Aku messenger tak sekali boleh. You just set it on me, you reach fucking limit, no ideology. Do you really get it? Hip hop sa budaya tip top, bawa kaki putih imperialis.
Hip hop tip top, I like that. Ooh. Oh my god, I feel so bad. Come on, black boy, black man. Come on. In the M-pop video. Come through with the edits. Oh, who's that?
Bukan hilang, tapi atur corak permainan sudah bilang. Kalau kurang boleh duduk diam jangan hairan. MC bawah tanah memang banyak boleh tahan. Bertahan.
Come on, sir, we need to see face.
Sini aku ajar apa azab ada sebab. Kenapa kau diciptakan lembab masih bongkak yang hidup.
Okay, make sure they blur that everyone's in the background. No copyright here. Oh, he look like he would choke somebody. Okay, come on, flexibility. Oh, giving us dancing. Special. Oh, they have actual people. Oh, people from the neighborhood. I'm assuming. Okay. Satu. Okay, K-Clique, Malaysian pop rappers. Satu. Okay, I like it. This is what I'm talking about. I don't know too much about rap music. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. I like pop and stuff, but I do listen to rap. However, this group I like the beat, I like the flow, I like the energy, how the guys are able to feed off each other, even though I feel like I'm being assaulted. But I really do like this. K-Clique, I never heard of them before. This is new to me. So look at the M-pop in the world. M-pop. Who would have thought? Thank God I started this reaction channel, because I would never go my way to see these people. I'm not gonna sit here like that. Or not. But thanks to the ones who recommended to react this. I really do appreciate it. And it's also happy to see the beauty of I do like international folks. You know, I'm international myself, but I do like overseas. You know, I grew up, you know, watching Japanese and Chinese and Korean things, but never much an African shows as well and music. But I never crossed over to go like the Philippines, Taiwan, China, Philippines, Malaysians, Taiwans, and other places like that. But I need to listen to a Russian artist. There's a Russian artist. Her name is Bianca. Oh, she was the best. She was good. But thanks for everyone who want me to react to these little videos and this recommendation. I really do appreciate it. Whatever you want to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Night.